temperature and its measurement. Our sense of touch can be quite unreliable. What feels cold one moment might feel warm the next, depending on what we touched before. That's why we can't just rely on our hands to tell if we have a fever. We need something more accurate, a thermometer. What exactly is temperature from a scientific perspective? Temperature is a scientific measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The hotter an object is, the higher its temperature. Temperature difference tells us how much hotter or colder one object is compared to another. And we use thermometers to measure temperature. Clinical thermometers are used to measure human body temperature. Mercury thermometers were very prevalently used earlier, but if broken, it can be toxic and dangerous. Digital thermometers use heat sensors and are much safer that way. Non-contact infrared thermometers have become more popular since COVID-19. Laboratory thermometers have wider temperature ranges, typically -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, and alcohol or mercury is used as the measuring liquid. Focus is on precision, so different smallest readings are available. Proper technique is essential for accurate measurement. Bulbs should not touch container bottom or sides. Thermometers should be held vertical, not tilted. Readings should be taken while thermometer is in the substance being measured. And eye level should be at the liquid column level to prevent parallax errors. Now let's look at the different scales and modern methods for precise temperature measurement. When we measure temperature, we can use either of three main temperature scales: Celsius, degree C, Fahrenheit, degree F, and Kelvin K. Celsius scale: 0 degrees Celsius equals freezing water, 100 degrees Celsius equals boiling water, and primarily used all over the world. Fahrenheit scale is used in the US, and 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals freezing water. 212 degrees Fahrenheit equals boiling water. The Kelvin scale is used in scientific research and starts at absolute zero, -273.15 degrees Celsius, the coldest possible temperature. Now for some useful context to take note and remember. The average temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Room temperature is approximately 22 degrees Celsius, and boiling water is 100 degrees Celsius. A normal body temperature can range from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius, and that depends on many factors, like the activity before the temperature was measured, a hot water or cold water bath, strenuous exercise, etc. Did you know that children have a slightly higher body temperature to adults, and that armpit measurements come in generally lower to oral temperature checks? Let's touch on weather and its influence on air temperature. Weather factors like sunlight, cloud cover, wind, and seasonal changes all have an influence on the air temperature on any given day, and vice versa. Temperature data helps predict weather patterns. Weather stations monitor temperature regularly and keeps a log of maximum and minimum temperatures every day for weather forecasting. So in recap, scientific accuracy requires the appropriate temperature measuring tools. Know your temperature scales so that you can converse fluently from people all over the world, as well as the scientific community. And appreciate the impact of weather on temperature and vice versa. Stay curious and keep learning.